Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you. We'll be exploring DeepMotion, an incredible platform that allows you to create stunning 3D models and transform videos into 3D animations. Let's dive right in. To get started, visit deepmotion.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a range of amazing features. Click on Animate 3D to create your model. However, if you're already familiar with the process, feel free to skip this step and click on the 3D model option. Let's create our model using Ready Player Me stylized avatars. Choose your desired body type. Since I'm going to generate a female model for my video, I'll select the feminine body type. If you have your own image, you can upload it. However, for this tutorial, I'll continue without a photo and choose from their library of 3D models. Pick an avatar that you like and click Next. With a few clicks, you can easily customize your model's appearance, add textures, and fine-tune the details. Explore the options and customize your avatar as you like. Once you're satisfied with your avatar, click Next. If you want to use your avatar in other apps, you can create a Ready Player Me account. Otherwise, you can continue without signing up. Enter a name for your character and then click Save. Alright, our 3D model is ready now. Let's move on to creating our animation. To get started, simply click on the Create Animation button. Upload the video that you want to transform into a 3D animation and wait for it to be uploaded. Now, click on the Video Output button to change the settings. Enable MP4 output, use a solid background, and adjust the other settings according to your preferences. After making the necessary changes, click on the Create button. It will show your settings. Double-check everything, and when you're ready, click on the Start Job button to begin the transformation process. Using advanced AI algorithms, DeepMotion will analyze your video and convert it into a stunning 3D animation. The process may take some time, so be patient and let the magic happen. Look at how it turned out. The AI has done its job. Check out this amazing animation. You can use your mouse to see the animation from different angles and focus on specific details. Once you're satisfied with your 3D model or video animation, it's time to download your files. DeepMotion provides multiple download options, ensuring compatibility with various file formats and software. Click on the Download button and choose the MP4 format to download your animation. Okay, let's use this downloaded animation in our video. Let's see how to do this. Go to Canva and create a new video. Upload your video. Search for a background video that suits your animation. In this case, I'm going to use a gym background. Now, go to the Upload tab and use our uploaded animation. But wait, we have a problem. We need to remove the green screen background. Let's use Canva's Background Remover tool. It's a time-saving feature that allows us to remove the background in a single click. Alright, the background has been removed. Let's adjust the animation to place it in a suitable location. Perfect. Our video is ready now. Isn't it amazing how we can create an animation video without any knowledge about animations? That wraps up our exploration of DeepMotion. It's truly a game changer in the world of 3D modeling and animation. So, go ahead and unleash your creativity with this incredible tool. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching.